jungle of love. Jungle of love. Listen to my conditions, I got you on my mind.
Alright, these are the elevators at Arhaus at Stanford Shopping Center. I do not know why the car button is out.
Don't touch it on the phone.
Okay. Don't know. Like that. Like that. Alright, the elevator is here. Looks like a really old elevator. Here's the elevator. Looks like we got a Schindler. So 2. 1 button works. There you go. Go back down 1. Yeah, it's 2. And 1. Close the door. Down I go. Here's the cab view. We've got a cab. Especially for it's like basically like a 2-3 elevator. Yeah, 1. Yeah, there we go. There it goes. And that'll be it.